Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is May 24, 2019, your source of news before any trade decision. Make sure you all continue to go ahead and go to our website, HueFinancial.com. The link is going to be in the description of this video. If you're interested in making sure you are aware of the current market moves that we are anticipating that the stock market is going to do. We're going to talk about Aurora Cannabis for today. The last time we did a video for this particular stock was on May 2nd, 2019, of which we were expecting this stock to continue to move to the downside. And here we are looking at the weekly chart for Aurora Cannabis, and it has been doing just that. It has been moving to the downside. When you look at it on the daily time frame, you can still tell that the market in Aurora Cannabis is still weak. Now, this is why we got our support line here in the market for Aurora Cannabis. We identify that the market in Aurora Cannabis can try to hold this $8.20 price going forward. Okay. But currently, after Aurora Cannabis had its earnings on the 14th of May 2019, the market did see some slight euphoric movement to the upside, but it only came here to the top portion of our resistance area, and ever since then it's been moving lower. So the trend in Aurora Cannabis has not changed. The market is still giving us some weakness on the daily time frame. The weekly time frame as well is giving us a little bit more weakness, so we're still anticipating the market in Aurora Cannabis to move lower in price. Now, considering I am still expecting it to come down to this particular area, but I'm going to create another profit table in the market. So thus far, the market from when we created our price table on May the 2nd, let's see, would have profited us around 9.92%. Okay. So what we're going to do, since we're still looking for this stock to move to the downside, we're going to go ahead and create another one. Let's go ahead and get rid of this one. And from where we are to where we were expecting it to move, we're going to go ahead and create that now. So we're going to put in a simulated sell position in the market in Aurora Cannabis, and we're still expecting it to move to the downside. Currently, that resistance area is still up here around this $8.80 price. Okay, the market may actually hit this $8 once again and try to see a continuation of higher prices from there. So if we're able to hold that, that will be an increase of about 4% movement to the downside. So this is what we're going to play around with in the market for Aurora Cannabis. We are anticipating this particular stock to continue to move to the downside. That is our analysis. About 4.25% movement to the downside is what we're looking at initially. But if the overall cannabis industry space gets more negativity, more negative news, then Aurora Cannabis can definitely hit this $7.50 price. Okay, so we're going to play around with this profit table right now. 4.25% profit is what we're anticipating this particular stock to move, and if it continues to give us weakness, we're going to extend it down a little bit further, back down to $7.50 for support. Okay, but overall we're still seeing indications of weakness coming to the market for Aurora Cannabis right now. There's no strength coming in. So we still got a little bit lower a movement to go through in this particular stock. So that is our analysis. That is our expectation. This is what we are predicting for Aurora Cannabis and which direction it's going to go. You can tell we have placed our price target objective there on our chart, just to give you all an indication of what we're expecting without any confusion. Okay. Make sure you guys go ahead and continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, because we definitely want to show everyone that you can literally predict where prices are going to go before the market actually moves. Make sure y'all maintain your profitability, and I will see you at our website, HueFinancial.com.